here. Needs to be welded there. This one here. And then this fuel cell should be close to that. We are welding up the bracket that goes around the the fuel cell, and then that should be done. As I get closer, I forgot these have to be welded. That gets a bolt in it, and then that gets bolted in that way. So we had to do this to get it to clear the roll cage. Instead of just cutting the roll cage out, you just cut the fuel cell because that's easier. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Lots to do, kind of in a hurry, don't have a lot of time. So many projects, I'm just flat out tired. So anyway, in the comments, guess how much the steering column weighs from the Laguna. I'm gonna put you onto something. We lost 15? Yeah, probably 15 pounds. If you include the steering wheel, probably 15. So, guess. Check you guys out in the next video.